Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, I saw that Usamke had posted this picture on her birthday when she was with a lady. I'm not sure if it's a friend or a relative, and Umatkele, the first wife of Umusamseleko. But Musam Seleku did not post anything about his fifth wife. Well, he was not there. We don't know how they celebrated. But someone had said, you know what? We believe that Umakele is Ugogo Flow. Because she's busy acting like a mother-in-law, guys. She is busy acting like a mother-in-law. If you guys were following the first seasons of Thando Nesthembu, you guys will see how close Umakhumalo and Umacele were at first. This is what was happening. It was nice when it was nice. The day this Mamkulu Macele turns on this girl, she will learn. She will learn. Samke, all of these things that Umatkele is literally doing, you are going to regret it, Mwanakohai, because I feel like Umatkele, she's trying to be friendly by trying to impress her husband, right? But I feel like, in my opinion, I feel like she's trying to make Samke depend on her. Like, depend on her, come to me. You understand? Probably like she won't be able to survive without her in this marriage. That's what I'm saying. She is acting like a mother-in-law and not like the other of the wives. She must go and ask the other three wives. They will tell her, Umatkele will jigger here. You will regret or guy. I'm telling you, we are going to see it. It's still going to come. This thing is not going to last. This thing that she's trying to do with Makele. ask Makumalo. Ask Umayeni, ask Umagwabe, they will tell you. This women will turn on you. Guys, please don't forget to like and comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.